I am in Clark Samir, checked in and inside my room now. As you can see, this is my room and it has a very beautiful yellow lighting which I really like. It's quite different and I like the room as well. It's pretty nice and spacious. The most I love is the washroom. It is huge and spacious. I'm gonna enjoy here really too much, and the weather has been really kind and it is a really good weather outside. As you can see, there's clouds and the breeze is so cool and so nice. I was enjoying standing outside actually when I was waiting for the cab. So I have this kind of a view. I don't know, it's okay. From here you can see this particular structure which I don't know what it is. I'll find out. And now I'm gonna dive into this bed and enjoy and relax for some time in my dreamland. Bye. After that, I went to Bapu Bazaar to do some shopping for my friend, and I wanted to have lunch outside, so I was also looking out for a place where I could have my lunch. The site of Bapu Bazaar is really nice. I really love coming here every time I come to Jaipur. Just stopped at the lassi wala in Bapu Bazaar and I'm having the lassi here. I couldn't find any food retailers here. Since I could not find any food retailers inside the Bapu Bazaar, I asked a few people if they could suggest me where I could go have my lunch. Now they suggested to go outside the Bapu Bazaar pole and there are a few cafes there. I decided to go to Bombay Mishthan Bhandar because it looked very old and authentic and it was pretty famous in the locality. The top part has a restaurant in it and the menu was full of lots of choices, both Rajasthani and North Indian. I chose to have my favorite gatta ki sabji and tawa roti, the very light and very delicious meal for my lunch. On my way back to hotel, I saw Moti Dungri and it was a nostalgic moment for me because I have been just once to this place and I could not visit this time. I also saw Birla Mandir, which I have visited once, just once. So maybe I'll come back again very soon and visit these two places again just to revive my memories and feel good again. For my dinner, I chose to have the roasted veggies panini sandwich. I love paninis and this one was really delicious. I loved every bit of it. Next day was the day of the Ghumar event. I was decked up in my poshak and jewelry and ready and arrived at the venue. The venue was just right inside the Clark Samir Hotel and that's why I decided to stay there. Now this is the area where there were lots of stalls, people who owned their boutiques of Rajasthani jewelry or Rajasthani outfits like leheria, saris, poshaks and everything else. There was a registration desk where people could register who have their pre-booked tickets like me and got their entry passes. There was a huge hall where the people were sitting, like only women and girls, and they were looking so beautiful wearing those poshaks and so many different colors, so much of jewelry. And this lady, Dr. Aditi, was giving a session on skincare and hair care. So it was a great session, very informative for many people, and we were all waiting for the much awaited thing to happen, the start of the event, the musical and dancing event. Finally, after a little bit of wait, the event was about to start and we were really excited about the musical and the dancing gala which was about to happen. The Langa singers were all ready and we were all ready. I danced as well and my performance was on the song Leheriyo, which is a Rajasthani folk song. I have attached a small clip of my performance in this video along with the other dances that happened in the event. For the full video of my dance performance, please head on to the description box which will have a link that will take you to that video. Now, please enjoy the amazing colorful event Ghumar with the marvelous and beautiful ladies out there. अपनी राजनीति परंपरा का निर्वहन बखूबी जानते हैं।
Sorry.
After that, we had a really entertaining session by the drum circle, and we did really learn a few beats. Listen. The event was over, I was back in my room and I enjoyed a very delicious Lebanese platter as my dinner. And here comes to the end of the vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and please do not forget to subscribe, share and like the video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.